Windows 11 constantly runs background telemetry, sending diagnostic logs, search data, and system metrics back to Microsoft. Instead of downloading unverified third-party tools, we are stopping it today using a 100% native transparent one-click CMD script. Every command is built-in, safe, and completely auditable. First of all, go to your browser. In address bar, type the link. You will find the link in description and all executable codes in pin comment. Hit enter. Download the script in text file and open the text you have downloaded. Here in the text file, you will find the first step, HALT's active telemetry service, specifically diagnostic track and device management wireless application protocol push, and sets their startup type to disabled so they can't restart automatically. Step 2 uses schedule tasks to disable automated diagnostic routines like the Microsoft Compatibility AppRiser and the Customer Experience Improvement Program. Third step applies registry policy hardening. It sets allow telemetry to 0, kills targeted ad tracking, and disables Bing web integration inside your local start menu search. Fourth step, purges old diagnostic log caches from your program data folder to instantly reclaim local disk space. And step 5, prompt for a mandatory reboot to finish dormant tracking modules from memory. Now you need to save these codes as batch file. Click on File tab, then click on Save As. Rename the file with an extension .bat and make sure the Save As type will be all files. Then click on Save. Right click on your base file and select Run as administrator. Let it process and press Y when prompted you to restart. Once your PC reboots, your Windows 11 system will run leaner, faster, and completely private. If you want more transparent script-based Windows guides, hit like and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next one.